Hello guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to add Solana network to Metamask. Firstly, go to Metamask Snap directory and find the Solana wallet by Solflare. Click on Add to Metamask and accept the permissions. Visit the Solflare Solana Snap platform, click Get Started and then enter Solana to complete the setup. Use the Solflare interface to manage your Solana portfolio, including sending and receiving crypto, and explore asset swapping and staking with the Solflare interface by entering the amount you want to stake or swap. Finally, access the bridge section in Solflare to connect your Metamask wallet, choose your source and destination chain, and approve the transaction. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.